guys, welcome back to my channel for the second cash envelope stuffing video for the third week of December. So this week we're going to be working with a total of $350. I'm going to go ahead and stuff 100 of that into my cash envelopes. So food is empty. It's going to be getting $40. Gas is empty. That's going to be getting its usual $20. And miscellaneous is going to be getting $40 this week. I hope everybody's been doing well, gearing up for the holidays as well as everybody can be. Hope everybody's safe out there. So there's our cash envelopes stuffed. So I'll go ahead and write in our totals here. We've got 40 in food, 20 in gas, and 40 in miscellaneous. Spending is getting 0 this week. So we'll go ahead and set those aside to go back in my wallet, and we will go ahead and get into our sinking funds. All right, so we've got, move this over a little bit here. Okay, so our first envelope is our emergency fund, and our emergency fund is going to be getting a 20. And that brings the total in this envelope to $20, $30, $40. Okay, 40 in the emergency fund envelope. That's good. My girls' savings account is going to get $10 this week. That brings them to $30 in this envelope. Great. It's so much fun week to week seeing how these increase, and at the end of the month doing your reconciliation, and you can, you know, take money, deposit it in your bank accounts. It's so satisfying. I really enjoy that. My envelope is getting $0 this week. Household is going to be getting a 10. See what we got in here. So household now has 20. This envelope is what I use to get mainly toiletries for the kids and I and my mom, you know, whatever anybody needs as far as that goes. So household has $20. The down payment for our house is getting a $10 bill. It's gonna happen, you guys. I know it is. It's gonna happen. Let's see what we got going. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. $70. Hey, we're starting somewhere. It's all good. Every little bit helps, it counts, and it matters. It's that way with most of the things in life I've learned as I've journeyed on. All right. With all of that rambling on and teaching a life lesson, I don't remember how much is in that envelope. We're counting again. 20, 30, 40, 50. That would be 50. Nobody's perfect, everybody. Oh, look. There's more money. Look at that. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh, have mercy. All right. Great. There better not be any more money in there. Oh, never thought I'd hear myself saying that. Okay. Dead Snowball is going to get $100. We're going to do this in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We're adding $100 to our Debt Snowball envelope, and I believe last week we put in 100. So let's go ahead and just count this up, make sure we have 200. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. That's great. We'll put another 100 in next week, and then hopefully by the end of the month we'll be able to send $400 and pay off the credit card. All right, let's take a look. My mom's envelope is gonna get a $10 bill this week, so let's count this up and see what she's got in here. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105. Go, Mom! Mom's gonna go shopping. I'm so happy for her. All right. Mom's got $105. That makes me happy. All right. My uncle's envelope is gonna get a $10 bill this week, and we'll see what he's got so far in his savings that we just started last week for his spending money. Hopefully, I'm just hoping that this brightens his day up a little bit. I'm just hoping to surprise him once every couple weeks with some extra money since he's battling cancer, and this is just something for him. So $15. There we go. Getting there, we're getting there. All right, next envelope is health. Health is getting $5. Let's go ahead and grab that. Stick that on in there. See what we got going on here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Oh, really? Okay. Let's do this again. Let's just make real sure that no extra money in there. Okay, let's do it. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 130, 40, 55, 65, 75. $175 in the health envelope. Yeah, it's been that kind of a day, everybody. But it's okay, we're here, we're blessed, we're here, we're doing it. Clothes is not getting anything this week, and clothes still has its $60 there from last week. So go ahead and just write that total in. Birthday is gonna get a $5 bill this week. I'm gonna pull this out, count it up, 25, 35, 40. Birthdays has 40. The next big birthday I'm saving for is my daughter's 8th birthday in July. All right, car maintenance is gonna get a 20. Let's go ahead and count this one and see what we've got in here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have $150 in the car envelope. It's good, we have to have an oil change soon, so we all know where that's gonna go. All right, taxes is gonna get $30 this week. I'm saving up for the taxes that, you know, we all know are coming, and I always end up owing the state money, so I'm hoping this year I set this money aside now, then I just don't have to deal with it. I don't have to go into savings or anything like that. All right, let's count this up. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $310 in taxes. That feels really good, you guys. I gotta say, I don't want to have to go on a payment plan for the state taxes. I mean, really, nobody wants to do that. I'm thinking I'll stop at 400. It's usually never more than 400, so just do that. All right, so beauty is gonna get $10 this week. See what we've got going on in here. So beauty has got 10, 15, 20, 25, $30. That's great. Get my nails did. It'll be so much fun. Okay, back to school is gonna get a $5 bill this week. So that brings our back to school envelope up to $10. We're putting it out there in the universe with good intentions, everybody. Kiddos going back to school, happily vaccinated soon. All right, and our gifts envelope is gonna get a $5 bill this week. See how much we've got going on in there. We've got 10, 15, 20, $25 in our gifts envelope. Perfect, right? That was right. 10, 15, 20, 25, yes. 25. Okay. 25. Okay, everybody, not bad. So that completes my cash envelope stuffing video for this week. And I plan to do another upload next week for you guys. And we'll probably start talking about 2021 financial goals, planning, And we might have a little bit of extra money to stuff next week too, so keep your fingers crossed for that, and I will see you next week. Bye.